Have you ever opened your lunch container at work, school, or on the road only to find your meal cold and unappetizing? While microwaves aren't always available, electric lunchboxes offer a convenient solution by warming your food wherever you are. These portable devices are designed to heat meals safely and efficiently, making them ideal for office workers, truck drivers, construction crews, students, and anyone who wants a hot homemade meal away from home. We'll start with number 7 and work our way to the top pick that delivers the best combination of heating performance, convenience, durability, and value. Number 7. Vibeso Electric Lunchbox. The Vibeso Electric Lunchbox is a practical option for people looking for an affordable way to enjoy warm meals during the day. Designed with simplicity in mind, this lunchbox focuses on reliable heating performance while remaining easy to use. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. Many versions support multiple power options, allowing users to plug the unit into a standard wall outlet or use it in vehicles through compatible adapters. This flexibility makes it appealing for commuters, truck drivers, delivery workers, and anyone who spends long hours away from home. The heating system gradually warms food instead of aggressively cooking it, helping preserve texture and flavor. This slow heating approach works particularly well for leftovers such as rice dishes, pasta, vegetables, soups, and casseroles. Users can simply plug it in about 30 to 40 minutes before lunch and enjoy a hot meal without searching for a microwave. The stainless steel interior tray helps distribute heat evenly while making cleanup easier after use. Storage capacity is another advantage. The container is large enough to accommodate a full lunch while remaining compact enough to carry comfortably. Many models include separate compartments, allowing users to keep side dishes organized until it's time to eat. The locking lid design helps prevent spills during transportation, which is especially important when carrying soups or meals with sauces. Portability plays a major role in the Vibeso's popularity. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry in backpacks, lunch bags, or work totes. The included carrying handle further improves convenience for people constantly on the move. The heating process is generally quiet and efficient, making it suitable for office environments where loud appliances might be distracting. While it may not heat food as quickly as premium models, it consistently delivers warm and satisfying meals. For budget-conscious buyers who want dependable heating without spending a fortune, the Vibeso Electric Lunchbox provides excellent value. It offers convenience, portability, and solid heating performance, making it a great entry-level choice for anyone interested in upgrading their lunchtime experience. Number 6. Aoto Portable Electric Lunchbox. The Aoto Portable Electric Lunchbox has earned a loyal following thanks to its balance of affordability, portability, and dependable performance. Designed for people with busy lifestyles, this lunchbox aims to eliminate the frustration of eating cold meals during long workdays. Whether you're commuting, working in an office, or spending hours on the road, the Aoto provides a convenient way to enjoy hot food almost anywhere. One of the standout features is its multiple power compatibility. Many models support household outlets as well as vehicle power connections, making them suitable for drivers, field workers, and travelers. This flexibility greatly expands where the lunchbox can be used, giving users more freedom to enjoy freshly heated meals throughout the day. The heating element is engineered to distribute warmth evenly across the food container. Instead of overheating certain areas while leaving others cold, it gradually raises the meal to an enjoyable temperature. This approach helps preserve moisture and flavor, preventing meals from drying out. Foods such as pasta, rice bowls, stir-fries, stews, and leftovers tend to perform especially well. The interior usually features a removable stainless steel tray that simplifies cleaning and promotes better heat transfer. Some models also include smaller compartments for separating vegetables, fruits, or side dishes. This organization helps maintain meal presentation while supporting healthier eating habits. Another major strength is portability. The compact design allows it to fit comfortably into bags without taking up excessive space. Secure locking clips help prevent leaks and spills during transportation, giving users confidence when carrying liquid-based meals. The carrying handle adds further convenience for daily use. Durability is impressive considering the affordable price point. The housing is built to withstand regular transportation and repeated heating cycles. While it may not offer advanced digital controls or premium materials found in higher-end models, it consistently performs its primary function very well. Number 5. Buddu Electric Lunchbox. The Buddu Electric Lunchbox has become a popular choice among professionals and travelers who want reliable food warming without relying on public microwaves. Designed with convenience and practicality in mind, this model offers a strong balance between heating performance, capacity, and portability. One of Buddu's most attractive features is its rapid heating capability. Compared to many entry-level electric lunchboxes, it tends to warm food more efficiently, helping users enjoy hot meals sooner. This makes it particularly appealing for people with limited lunch breaks who don't want to wait excessively for food to heat. The large capacity design provides enough room for complete meals including proteins, vegetables, grains, and side dishes. This generous storage space supports meal prepping and allows users to bring healthier homemade meals instead of purchasing expensive fast food. Many users appreciate being able to pack substantial portions without feeling restricted by container size. The stainless steel food tray contributes to both durability and food safety. It helps distribute heat evenly while resisting stains and odors over time. Cleanup is straightforward, making the lunchbox practical for daily use. Many versions also include additional compartments or containers for better meal organization. Leak resistance is another area where Buddu performs well. Secure locking mechanisms and well-designed seals help prevent accidental spills while traveling. This feature is especially valuable for soups, curries, pasta dishes, and meals with sauces. Users can carry their lunches confidently without worrying about messy accidents. What truly sets Buddu apart is its overall user experience. The controls are simple, operation is straightforward, and heating performance is consistently reliable. While premium competitors may offer additional features, Buddu focuses on delivering dependable results day after day. Number 4. Hairfilk Electric Lunchbox. The Hairfilk Electric Lunchbox stands out because of its premium construction and attention to detail. Designed for users who value both functionality and durability, it offers a refined experience that goes beyond simple food warming. One of the first things users notice is the quality of the materials. The exterior feels sturdy and well-built, while the stainless steel food container provides excellent durability and food safety. This robust construction helps the lunchbox withstand daily use in demanding environments. Heating performance is one of Hairfilk's strongest attributes. The unit distributes heat evenly throughout the container, reducing the likelihood of cold spots. Meals warm consistently and retain much of their original flavor and texture. This is particularly important for dishes such as pasta, rice, vegetables, and protein-based meals. The generous capacity allows users to pack satisfying lunches while maintaining organization through separate compartments. This feature encourages balanced meal preparation and helps keep food separated until mealtime. For health-conscious users, this organization can make healthy eating more convenient and enjoyable. Leak prevention is another area where Hairfilk excels. The lid locking system is secure and reliable, minimizing the risk of spills during transportation. Whether commuting to work or traveling between job sites, users can transport meals with confidence. Convenience extends beyond heating. Cleaning is relatively simple thanks to the removable stainless steel components. The design prioritizes practicality while maintaining an attractive appearance suitable for professional environments. For users who want a more premium experience without reaching the highest price brackets, the Hairfilk Electric Lunchbox delivers impressive performance and long-term reliability. Number 3. Crock-Pot Lunch Crock Food Warmer. Unlike traditional electric lunchboxes, the Crock-Pot Lunch Crock Food Warmer takes a different approach by focusing on soups, stews, chili, pasta, and other one-container meals. It has become a favorite among office workers who want simple operation and dependable heating. The standout feature is its slow warming technology. Rather than aggressively heating food, it gradually brings meals to a hot serving temperature while preserving flavor and moisture. This makes it ideal for homemade comfort foods and meal prep leftovers. The removable food container simplifies cleaning and serving. Users can prepare meals in advance, store them in the refrigerator, and then place the container into the warmer when needed. This streamlined process saves time and reduces cleanup. Portability is surprisingly good considering its crock-style design. The secure lid helps prevent spills, while the compact footprint makes it suitable for office desks and break rooms. One of the biggest advantages is consistency. The Crock-Pot Lunch Crock delivers predictable heating results day after day, making it easy to enjoy hot meals without monitoring the process constantly. Its simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. For soup lovers and fans of warm homemade meals, the Crock-Pot Lunch Crock Food Warmer remains one of the most dependable options available. Number 2. Travelissimo Electric Lunchbox. The Travelissimo Electric Lunchbox combines strong heating performance with excellent portability, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. Built for active lifestyles, it is particularly popular among commuters and drivers. Its heating system warms food efficiently while maintaining flavor and texture. Meals typically reach enjoyable serving temperatures within a reasonable time, making it practical for busy schedules. The large capacity interior accommodates complete meals, while separate compartments help maintain organization. This supports healthier meal planning and reduces dependence on restaurant food. Durability is another highlight. The construction feels sturdy and capable of handling regular transportation. Leak-resistant seals further improve reliability when carrying liquid-based dishes. The lunchbox also excels in convenience. Multiple power options allow use at home, work, or inside vehicles, greatly expanding its usefulness. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of users and professions. With its excellent balance of capacity, portability, and heating performance, the Travelissimo electric lunchbox earns a well-deserved spot near the top of this countdown. Number 1. Hot Bento Self-Heated Lunchbox. Taking the number 1 position is the Hot Bento Self-Heated Lunchbox. What makes this product special is that it doesn't require an external power connection during use. Instead, it utilizes a rechargeable battery system that heats food almost anywhere. This cordless design completely changes the user experience. Whether you're at a construction site, in a vehicle, at a park, or traveling, you can enjoy a hot meal without needing access to outlets or microwaves. That level of freedom is incredibly valuable for people with unpredictable schedules. The heating technology is highly effective, bringing meals to satisfying temperatures while maintaining quality. Foods retain moisture and flavor, resulting in a better overall eating experience compared to many traditional lunchboxes. Build quality is excellent, with durable materials and thoughtful design elements throughout. The compact shape is easy to transport, while the leak-resistant construction adds confidence during travel. Battery performance is another strong point. A single charge can typically handle multiple heating sessions, making it practical for everyday use. Users appreciate being able to prepare meals in advance and heat them whenever needed. The Hot Bento also promotes healthier eating habits by making homemade meals more convenient. Instead of relying on fast food or vending machine snacks, users can enjoy freshly heated meals wherever they are. For overall convenience, portability, innovation, and real-world usability, the Hot Bento Self-Heated Lunchbox stands above the competition. Its cordless operation and dependable heating performance make it the best electric lunchbox for anyone who wants hot food on demand.